Stand out from the rest when you wear these cute boots by Rieker. They feature a textile and synthetic upper with a round toe silhouette, and they have a functional lace-up closure to give you a secure and custom fit, as well as a zipper closure on the inside for easy on and off. They have an all-over velvet texture that adds luxuriousness to your outfit with an all-over beautiful and colorful embroidered floral print to give you a striking and festive look that's sure to turn heads. Inside, there is a soft fleece lining that keeps you warm and feels great against the skin with a cushioned footbed to keep you comfortable all day. They're lightweight with a sturdy build and reinforced welt stitching for long-lasting durability. You'll also get a small lift from the low block heel at the back. It's all on top of a durable rubber outsole that is grippy to keep you stable. Wear these with a cute pair of leggings.